welcome back. So this is the end of the tutorial for SCD type. Column name. Okay, category name underscore will come here, and let's quickly update the end date. It says category name. Okay, which category name? Category name in the category dimension only. Okay, two rows are affected. So here it is updated as this. Why? Because they were actually the replicated rows, right? Because we are just passing the column common mutual columns as category ID and category name. We need to pass the category price as well. So while updating, so if you see here, update category dimension, set end date as this from category stage. And category price, or you can just say category price is not equal to category price. Okay, not equal to means the category price in category dimension is not equal to the category price in the staging table, right? That is what the row, which is the previous row, right? And it's going to be updated like that. So if I do this, one row affected only, and here we have achieved the goal. So if you see, the previous record end date and the price has been updated. End date has been updated to 30th, which is the previous date, to the new transaction date, which was 1st. It got retired on 30th since we received the record on 30th, right? And this needs to be updated as 31st. So this was the little mistake which we did. I can correct it here, right? Wait. This should only be updated. I can do this again. Okay, let's do 59,000, where in the staging I'm gonna do category staging, where transaction date is 01. Let's say the transaction date is 02. Okay, and I'm going to say it as 70,000. I'm setting it as 70,000 in the staging table. This is done. Quickly doing what? Comparing both the tables. Coming back here, staging and dimension. What is the difference? 70,000, which is not there. 50,000 and 59,000 is there. Now in order to insert that data, so insert first, where you can just say transaction date is not in this, right? Transaction date is the difference. So you can do that. We have to declare the variable as well. Only one row affected. Compare it quickly. Is it done? Yes, it's done. Okay, transaction date is done. Certification 1 is updated to 31st. That's it. And this is my latest row, which is updated with 9 and 12, 31. Other rows are updated as 30th, which is 1 day prior to the previous record, right? So this should be 31st or 1st. So you can just pass it over here. Whatever date you pass it over here, accordingly it will set. So while updating the end date here, you can just pass it as 01. Okay, and then this, not the certification, where you can just say category price is not in category price. Okay, so if I run this, 2 is affected, and here now the last end date is going to be, see, 30th it got updated. Right, this is how we can maintain the SCD type. Hope you liked it. Have a nice day.